Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome again to another lesson. Today we'll be looking at division of whole numbers, and our target at the end of the lesson is we should be able to divide whole numbers by one digit or two-digit numbers. We want to equally look at other terms that are used in division. Sometimes instead of asking you to divide, they can ask you to share, to distribute, or to find the quotient. These are all terms that are similar to divide. And the sign for division can either be this, you can either find a slash, or you can find a dash with a number written above and below. So these are all signs for division. And in division as well, y divided by x is equal to z. Y here stands for the dividend. Y stands for the dividend, X stands for divisor, and the Z here stands for quotient. Sometimes in other cases, you may find a remainder that we are going to see in our examples. So let's go straight to examples and look at example 1. 273 divided by 3. 273 divided by 3. With this, in division, there are two ways you can go about it. You can either use the short division method or factorization, and you can equally use the long division method. In this situation, let's use the short division method. That is 273 divided by 3. If our divisor can divide this number, then we can factorize. 3 can divide itself one time, and 3 can divide 2 0 times. We are going to take 27. 3 will divide 27 9 times, and 3 will divide 3 1 time. The answer will be 91. This is the short division method, and this is how you can divide to find the answer. Let's look at the second example. 684 divided by 5. In this case, we are going to use the long division method. You rewrite the number out this way. You can say 684 divided by 5. 6 divided by 5 is 1. 1 times 5 is 5. 6 take away 5 is 1. And 1 cannot divide, so we are going to bring down 8. This number becomes 18. 18 divided by 5 is 3. And 3 times 5 will give 15. If you subtract this, you're going to have 3. And you bring down 4. 34 divided by 5 will give us 6. 6 times 5 will give 30. If you subtract, you will have 4. And since there is no other number, 4 will be our remainder. The answer will be equal to what we have above here, 136 remainder 4. This is the long division method and how you can solve division using the long division method. Let's quickly look at the last example. Example 3 is 3,417 divided by 17. If you look at this carefully, you'll realize that this is two-digit numbers. First, we are going to solve using the long division method, and we are equally going to solve using the short division method so that you can make your choice on which one is best for you. So using the long division method, we are going to write 17 out this way, the divisor, and the dividend is 3,417. 3 divided by 17, it cannot go, so we are going to take 34 divided by 17, which is 2. Remember, you write on top of the last digit you've considered. 2 times 17 will give 34. And if you subtract, it gives 0. You bring down 1. 1 divided by 17 is 0. 0 times 17 is 0. And if you subtract, you have 1. You bring down 7. You have 17 divided by 17 is 1. 1 times 17 is 17. And if you subtract, you have 0. And our answer will be 201. This is for long division method. Now let's look at short division method. 3,417 divided by 17. 17 divides itself one time. 17 divides 34 two times. 17 divides 1 0 times. 17 divides 17, because you've not considered 1, so you are going to take both numbers together. 17 divides 17 one time. And our answer is the same, 201. Be it long or short division method, the answers will always be the same. That's what we had for you today. Next time we are going to be looking at test of divisibility. Do not miss this. Subscribe to our channel, click the share button, and always comment so that we can improve our service. Thank you.